Hey there, Nicole here. Just going to give you a quick overview of what we're looking for in Search Console and then in Ahrefs when we're doing the current ranking keywords and determining what pages we want to target with what respective terms. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here to Google Search Console. I want the main site property for whatever website I'm working on. This one, of course, we are looking at Local Client Takeover. Now this one is actually a full domain property, so it's a little bit different on the side here. For performance, we want to go over here to search results, and then we want to expand this data to be the last 16 months. Sometimes I'll go 6, sometimes 12, but what we're looking at is what queries are bringing people to our site, because these are terms that we may want to target. And more importantly, I'm looking at what pages are currently pulling the most traffic, because again, these are probably going to be the best pages to target. So for this, I'm just going to click through. You can actually go to these pages from here, but essentially all I would need to do, that's what I was looking for. If you would click here and then go back to queries, you can see what queries are bringing people to this page specifically. So again, I can close that out. Check out the Google My Business course. We can look at the queries for that. And these are the queries that are pulling that page. So that's an easy way for us to determine what pages are the most worth targeting for the campaign, as well as what terms those pages are already pulling so that we can help improve upon that. The other thing we look at this part of the keyword analysis is going to be through Ahrefs. Let me just grab that real quick. So Ahrefs, we're going to come in here. I'm going to grab my main target URL. And we're going to take a look at the organic keywords for that. We can also look at top pages. So same thing that we're really looking at through Search Console. Here I'm looking at my most trafficked pages. And again, I can see which ones are going to be probably the most important to target. We can see the top keyword for those pages. And then again, if we come under organic keywords, and we can sort this either by the full domain, we can sort it page by page if we know what pages we want to look at. But this just helps us to determine the main keyword and some of the additional keywords that our pages can rank for. So those are the two things we want to look at this stage of the audit. What, again, are going to be our top pages to target, and what are the respective keywords for those pages. And then I do normally like to come back through the SERP bot tracker that I set up in step 1. And I will throw in the terms that I'm kind of looking at just to see, do these terms actually rank for this page? Yes or no? Where do they rank? And you can see some of these have been moving up and down the last couple of weeks with the the update that's been going on with Google most likely. So I can see here I have a nice list of pages to target, and I have some respective keywords already going. So we're going to move forward into the next step of the audit.